my name is Chai, and my metric number is 183655. And my friend Nazmi, which is also being my group mate, he is helping me to take this video. For some reasons, we plan to take it in two parts so that we can do things easier. So for this course is system digit EEE3108, and the theme for our project is we have to light out LED bulbs in even numbers. So for our coding, we have 4 parts which are consisted of declaration, clock inputs, multiplexer, as well as D flip-flop. Okay, so I will be in charge of the first half of the coding, and my friend Nazmi will be in charge of the second half of the coding. So let us begin. For the first part, we have declared those variables which are needed to be used in running the multiplexer and as well as the clock, such as R, W, L, clock, and Q. For R, L, W, and clock, they are inputs, and for Q, counter, clock out, they are output. And initially, we begin to set counter and clock out equals to 0. And then, when we set them equal to 0, we have written another coding which is always block that involve both of the variables. And this always block will be in charge of controlling the clock signal in order to make those LED blink. And that's all from me, and I will pass the rest to Nazmi.
Yes, Assalamualaikum Dr. Mariam. My name is MUHAMAD Nazmi bin Zamri, and my metric number is 181983. So now I will continue with a child presentation about our coding. So let me begin. Okay, for this I will continue about the multiplexer. As you know that we have defined our input and also our output, that is R, LW, and LW clock is our input, and the Q counter and also the register clock out is our output. So for the multiplexer, that is the 5-bit register. For the model stage 4, it will instantaneous to the left when it has the output Q3, and the module stage 0 will instantaneous to the right most flip-flop when for Q0. And when the L equals to 1, the register will be parallel from the R input. But when the L equals to 0, it will be shifted, taking place in the left to the right direction. Okay, and for this one, the model multiplexer, that is the input is D0, D1 cell also the clock, the output will be Q. The if-else statement specifies that one of the positive clock H if cell equals to 0, then Q is assigned the value of D0, otherwise Q is assigned the value of D1. Okay, that's all from my part and also Achai part. Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you. So next we will show our project with the Altera board. Thank you.
As you can see, when I switch on the switch, the LEDs are lighted up in even numbers, and when I pull back the switch again, the LEDs light off in even numbers. That's all.